What's up? My name's Connor Ahern, and if you're watching this video, I'm guessing you're an entrepreneur that's about to do some investments in real estate, or you're planning to do so. Today we're going to be prepping this house to do a quick flip or rent out. I've already had this house rented out once. The tenants were moved out, and place is in great shape. However, to kind of update its curb appeal, I'm going to be updating it for the next 7 days to allow people to check it out over the holiday. So follow suit and you'll see a new kitchen get done, redoing this bathroom, bringing it to a more modern standard look, and everything else as far as like the small details is redoing hinges and painting the cabinets, all that small stuff that adds up to property value. Perhaps even just getting a new fridge and stove in here will change it up as well. Anyways, stick tuned, probably a lot of time lapses, but anyways, I'll share some tips and tricks with you guys as well as some entrepreneurial advice. Anyways, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks guys, see ya. So the first thing that we're going to start with is actually redoing this tiling, and I don't mean ripping it out. I'm going to be redoing the top surface to not only have it have a more just clean and brighter look to it, but I think this yellow and black lining is kind of just dating the look, as well as we're going to be redoing the cabinet. So stick tuned for all the prep work for that, and we'll jump into that. So with that being said, first things first is going to be sanding down this tile, so all of our paint has a good grippy surface to stick to, or adhere to rather. And with that being said, let's jump into a time lapse. Thanks guys, see ya. Alright, so when you're doing this stuff, you're going to want to have the proper, well, it's not much of equipment, but right stuff. So we got some sanding blocks here, 80 grit, just really kind of dig into it, but also I'm going to try out the 36. I'm not sure if this is going to be too coarse. It might be. Just gloves so I don't have tile dust when I'm eating later, and most importantly, a face mask. You don't want to breathe any of this stuff in. So as mentioned, time lapse time. Alright, so ended up using the 36 grit the entire time. The idea is not to take off any of the real, noticeable surface. It's just to scuff it up so the paint has a good gritty surface to stick to. So now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and remove all the drawers, the cabinetry, and tape off the sink. I'm going to be reglazing the sink. However, I don't want to get any of the paint that I'm using for this in the sink because I'm going to use a different product for the sink. Yeah, let's get going with it. So we got the tile sanded down, cabinets removed, and I mean, all the shelving, the paint looks in good shape, so I think I can get away with not having to paint the white. I'm probably gonna make a nice new towel rack here because the other one was kind of gross and dated. Same thing for down here. Might even just not put one there if I have one there. We'll see. But, just going to clean this all up, and yeah, we will be putting down the tarp and covering the sink, put down the first coat of white paint, and get moving. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I usually post car content, but I thought I would share kind of what I actually do. So yeah, thanks for watching. All right, so we're gonna start taping things off. Got this frog tape. Used this for one of my last projects, and I really liked it. Haven't used it before. I've had a lot of issues with taping off lines and making it a straight edge, and this product actually does what they say they will do. Obviously, not a paid endorsement. I've like, what, 50 subscribers? They're not gonna pay me to say this, so I'm being honest, it works. Anyways, yeah, let's tape this off. Another time lapse. See ya. All right, so we've got everything taped off, and yeah, so we're gonna go grab the industrial paint, some brushes, and maybe a micro roller, and get going with the first coat. Probably be a 2 or 3 coat, considering it's we've got to go from black and yellow. So the yellow is going to be no big deal to cover over, but the trim, with it being so dark, we'll probably need a thicker coat. Plus, we also have a few little divots, so a thick coat would actually work nice. I didn't really pay much attention, but yeah, this SIG definitely needs to be reglazed. Yeah, there's some ongoing drama about the former tenants, so I'm not going to say anything about their behavior or whatever, but yeah, at least the place was left pretty solid. But yeah, so we're gonna be repeating this treatment of this tile to the entire bathroom tile as well, and maybe later today or the next episode. So no more pink tile. That's gonna be a plus. The shower, I'll probably reglaze that as well. I mean, that's kind of pitted over here, but you know, new toilet, new fixtures everywhere. I had all the plumbing redone, so lots of new piping. I'm gonna have some new electrical. I want 4 cans put up in here. I'm gonna redo some of what I call the Home Depot nipple lights, the bronze light up here. Yeah, you know what I'm all talking about. My camera screen. There we go. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna just keep moving forward because you can tell there's no great natural lighting in here other than opening up the windows, and it's kind of a corner property, so not much privacy if you open up all the blinds. So definitely want a lot more lighting in here, maybe in here as well. But that's definitely another day because I'm no electrician. So let's get moving with this. Before I paint it though, I have to wipe it down. I'm gonna go see if I have a microfiber, not a new one obviously, because this is going to be some kind of, not much of it, but there's going to be some dust and grime in here that I wouldn't want on one of my vehicles, but a microfiber will clean it up the best without using water. And yeah, so let's go find the microfiber and the cloth. Or, well, microfiber is the cloth, and we need to go find the paint and all the paint stuff. So yeah, anyways, let's get moving. See ya.
mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, I can't lie. I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, I can't lie. I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, I can't lie. I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, I can't lie. I'm mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, I can't lie.
All right, so we've got first coat down, a few little patches that didn't make it, but yeah, gotta let that dry. I used a brush, so the roller has a little tacky surface as well to make a pass over. A few areas that will be darker. I mean, I think the second coat will make it pretty nice, but the third coat will make it perfect. I'm just watching out for any drips right now, so I'm just gonna stand here, literally watch paint dry, try to find any drips. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you're still at this point, probably actually gonna jump to doing the first coat in the bathroom. And yeah, thanks for watching.